Alright, looks like Home Depot's got the Husky 5 shelf, 9,000 pound unit here. I got this marked down. Was $399 down to $349. That's the 9,000 pound big boy there, 90 inches by 24 by 90 inches. And then over here they got the 4 shelf. This one's 10,000 pound weight capacity. This one's a little bit smaller though. 249 was 279. That's 4 tiers. So that's what that one's gonna look like. And then 159 for this one here. So you can actually assemble this one in 2 different fashions, side by side or stack them, it looks like. So that's kind of cool. Same thing with this red one. And this is 48 by 24 by 78, 5 shelf. 5,000 pound weight capacity on this one, along with that one down there. So these were $199 down to $159. Looks like they got some of their totes marked down. They got the big 70 gallon down to $59.98. $10 off on that one. Got a special buy on the doormats, 24 by 36. $8.88 for those, brown or like a grayish blue. These are actually pretty nice. I got a couple of these at the house. Looks like they got some new lower prices on the Ryobi pressure washers. These are electric ones, brushless. 2,300 PSI was $379 down to $329. And then they got a 2,000 PSI one down to $199. Here's a DeWalt new lower price. They got the DeWalt 550 PSI power cleaner, tool only, but this was $219. They got this down to $169. So for you DeWalt guys, not a bad deal. Here's a new lower price on a gas fire pit here. $100 off, was $349 down to $249 on that one. Nice fire pit, square guy there. And then they got another fire pit. This is not gas. Throw some wood in it, but this was $199 down to $159. 34-inch fire bowl. So nice discount on that also. Another a random find. They got the Windex glass refill with the actual spray bottle. So I got the refill and then your spray bottle was $13.98 down to $6.84. Not a bad pickup on the Windex. Huge discount on the Arctic Air Towers. Not really sure how well these work, but was $119.98 down to $49 on these Arctic Air Towers here. And then they got the smaller square ones. These are $39.97, usually $19 for these ones here. So big, huge discount on the Arctic Air. I've had mixed reviews on these. People saying that some of them like them, some people don't, but huge discount. If you guys are looking for any Klein tools, it looks like they got a bunch of their Klein tools marked down. Like for instance here, they got the side cutting long nose pliers marked down to 21, was 29. They also got the all-purpose electrician scissors here, was 25 down to 18. Some more side cutters here, was 39 down to 28. So a bunch of the Klein tools. They got the 14-in-1 screwdriver down to $14, was 20. They got the stubby here, $11. They got the 4-piece set here, was 39 down to 28. You got some more strippers up there, was 29 down to 21. Try to zoom in there. Yeah, so those right there, 21. They got the leverage cable cutter right there, was 39 down to 28. I don't know if you guys can see that, but tons of Klein tools marked down. They got the bimetal hole saw, was 49 down to 35. They got the tape measure 25 footer, was 27 down to 19. Some safety glasses down to 17. But Looks like they got a bunch of Klein tools marked down. They got the step drill bit. It's 49 down to 35. They got a couple different sizes there. They got the Klein rechargeable headlamp. Was 52 down to 37. We got some Klein gloves here. A few bucks off on those. So yeah, you guys looking for some Klein tools, electricians, anything like that, they got some discounts going on some random tools here at Home Depot. Here's a nice discount. They got the utility cable cutter. This is the big boy, and this was $95 down to $68 there. So really nice discount on the cable cutter. Couple bucks off on the Klein insulated screwdriver. Was $9.97 down to $7.10. You can get the whole kit here for only 28 bucks though. Looks like from Milwaukee they got a new lower price on the M18 compact bandsaw tool only. $329 was $369 on that. And then if you look over here, they got the M18 fuel hammer drill impact kit. This is $379. It was $399. So a little discount on that one. They also got the M12 fuel. Looks like it's the 4-tool combo kit. It was $299 down to $269. This one's gonna come with the drill impact one-handed recip saw. It's hard to see in there. This one's going to come with the hammer drill, the impact driver, the recip saw, and then the light. Then it's also going to come with 2 of the CP 2.5 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag. And then they also got the M18 Super Sawzall. Was $259 down to $229 on that one. Tool only, no batteries. I tell you, it's a terrible thing we got to have these cages on here because it really makes it hard to look at these tools that they got for sale. So I apologize for any weird angles or anything like that, but just trying to get as much information out to you guys as possible while working with this little cage setup here. Here's a Ryobi deal here. They got the starter kit, 4 amp hour battery, charger, 99 bucks. You get the good charger with this one. Was $159 it says. Looks like they got the Milwaukee M18 6-gallon cordless wet and dry vac. Was $249 down to $199. Lowered the price on the Husky 12-in-1 quick loading ratcheting screwdriver with the stubby here. Was $25.94 down to $8, so not a bad deal on that. Looks like they got some lower prices on their toolboxes here. They got the Husky 56-inch, was $13.98 down to $11.98. So you got a 56-inch 18-drawer heavy-duty tool chest and cabinet combo. Pretty nice color, like that gray and black. But massive toolbox there. Looks like they got the Husky 62-inch 14-drawer workbench. This was $10.98 down to $6.98, so that's not a bad deal at all. And I think this has got the adjustable top here, as you guys can see, lifts up, so that's pretty cool. I got some smaller toolboxes here. Got the 27-inch 11-drawer. Was $548 down to $329. Got that in gray and then blue here. I got black and a red over here, it looks like. And then back over here they got a 52-inch 15-drawer that was $10.98 down to $9.98 Husky. Another nice big toolbox. So a couple different toolbox selections here. And then they also got the 42-inch 8-drawer. This was $428 down to $349. Got this in red. They probably got other colors. I only see the red here right now. Alright guys, it looks like they also got the Husky 52-inch adjustable height work table. It was $249 down to $198. It's got the little handle on the side there to adjust the height. You got some casters on the bottom there. Be able to roll it around. Pretty cool. Then they also have the one with the drawer here, all white. It's got a couple drawers. $329 for that one. Also 52-inch. It's got the 2 drawers. And then adjustable. Just crank this and it lowers it and lifts it up. So it's pretty, I like that adjustability there. They also got the Husky rolling cart. I actually own this one. $249. I wish I would have got the one from Harbor Freight, the new Harbor Freight carts that they got out. Those are a little bit nicer and you can actually get them a little bit cheaper. But $249 if you're looking for the Husky cart. And then they also got the DeWalt 41-inch 15-drawer. This was $10.98 down to $9.48. So all you DeWalt guys out there, a little discount on the toolbox. Looks like they got the Milwaukee 22-inch pack out. That's the 40-quart extra large cooler. Was $249 down to $199. So nice setup on this. Got the divider with the cutting board right in the middle. Nice insulated cooler there. The pack out system. They got some more pack out stuff here. They got the 22-inch 3-drawer toolbox, $164. They got the large toolbox, the medium toolbox, the rolling toolbox. Looks like they got the markdown on the Weber Spirit 2 gas grill. This was $649 all the way down to $325. Nice Weber grill there. 3-burner. Got the stainless steel shelves on the side. At $325 for this. So it looks like they got some deals going on with Rigid. They got some starter kits. You got the 2 amp hour and the 4 amp hour batteries and the charger, $169. And you get one of the tools over here for free. So you get the high torque hammer drill, reciprocating saw, the 4-mode 1/4-inch impact driver, and then the oscillating multi-tool. And then over here you got the same setup, 2.0, 4.0 for $169. But this is going to include the hybrid panel light, 6.5-inch circular saw, Bluetooth radio, or the reciprocating saw. So a couple deals here for Rigid. Got the same thing going on for DeWalt, buy one get one. So you buy one of these tools. Got the Atomic compact 1/4-inch impact driver, 3/8 impact wrench, cutoff tool, 1/2-inch hammer drill, drywall screw gun, cutout tool. Then you got the ratchet, 3/8-inch ratchet. You get the starter kit here for free. And it looks like they also got the 23 gauge pin nailer that you can pick up along with that. They got like 2 flyers here. They got a little bit different on each. They also got the DeWalt reciprocating saw, Flex Volt Advantage, was $259 down to $199. And they also got a 7 1/4-inch circular saw that was $269 down to $199. They got the angle grinder down to $199. And then they got the 6 amp hour battery pack with the 6 amp charger, $179. This was $269. Got the battery powered pruners, $129. And then they got the chainsaw kit. This is a 20 volt XR for $279. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. Some more rigid deals over here. Drill driver kit for 99 bucks. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery. Hammer drill driver kit for $199. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery with this one. And then you got the 2 tool combo kit for $229. Comes with a 2 amp and a 4 amp. You get the impact and the hammer, charger, and bag. Was $269. They got the rigid 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum for $59.97. Got some filters over here for $34.97. They also got the DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. This was $649 down to $499, so pretty good deal on that. Looks like they got the DeWalt jump starter with compressor and power inverter. Was $199 down to $159. That was a pretty good deal on that. 1600 peak amps, got 120 psi, 500 watt with 2 AC outlets. So $159 for that one. Looks like they also got the Husky wrenches marked down. They got the 7-piece ratcheting set. Was $49 down to $29.97. And they do got the SAE and then the metric. And then over here they got the 10-piece combination wrench set. These are not the ratcheting ones, but this was $34 down to $19.97. Looks like for DeWalt they got the 6-inch 100-pound trigger clamp. Was $16 down to $12. They got the auto loading retractable utility knife. That was $16 down to $9.97. They got the tape measure, 25-foot DeWalt tape measure. The Tough series. This was $30 down to $24.97. And they also got the 20-ounce claw nailing hammer. Was $29 down to $24. That's what the clamps are going to look like. Nice set of clamps there. Here's a Ryobi deal I just seen. It's the tool only, and it's only the Ryobi 1 Plus, not the HP. It's a 5.5-inch circular saw. Was $79 down to $40. Tool only on that one. That might be something that you just find in certain Home Depots, but pretty much half off on that. Wouldn't be bad for some light duty work. Alright guys, so there you go, just an update on what I found at my local Home Depot. Let me know what you guys are finding at your Home Depots in the comment section below. You guys find any good deals? Let us know. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching guys. I'll talk to you on the next one.